My name is Elnaz. I'm PhD student here at Tec de Monterrey. I'm working here in a macromolecule and photoscience research group. My project mainly is focused on anatomical 3D printing. We are trying to print any anatomical models for cardiovascular surgeon. For example, this is a model that it is aorta and it has a very big aneurysm inside. So of course 3D printing can give us this opportunity to create any complex geometry with hollow shapes and we can print whatever that we want in comparison to other kind of conventional methods that if we want to produce something like this. So it has too many advantages for the physician. For example, it can help for any pre-surgery planning. It can be helpful for medical training. In general, anatomical 3D printing can be very helpful for the physicians and also for the patients. In my project, we are going to print these kind of models with SLA 3D printing, but not in this hard or rigid material. We are studying the flexibility and properties of this resin, and we are comparing the data from this resin to the real tissue. We are going to do some surface treatment and doing some coating with this photopolymer-based solution that we made in our project. So it can reduce the surface roughness of the final print up to nanoscale. So it can also increase the transparency, but it is also flexible. For some specific application like soft robotic or for example for any wearable sensors or electronic devices that we want this flexibility and transparency at the same time. The specific application in my project is that the study of the hemodynamic inside any aneurysm is very essential for the physician because it can help the physician to make some better solution maybe for selection of the device because these hemodynamic changes inside the aneurysm can talk about the future and the progression of this disease. But one of the things that we can do in our labs as a research is a kind of flow visualization that is called laser PIV or particle image velocimetry.
Actually, as a PhD student here that I'm working at the labs for more than 2.5 years. So thanks to CIDiTec, I have access to all the equipment that is here, and I can say that I had all the things that I wanted for my project. We also need some support for our future. For example, we as a researcher, we are working on a product, on a service, or on some things, and when it got finished, we need some help to, for example, find our place in the market, or to be able to connect our product or service with the industry, or find some inventors to be able to talk to them and kind of sell our product to them. Here at CIDiTec, there are some people that they can help us with these kind of facilities. And also from the academic point of view, for example, if we want to do some patenting or if we need some help to understand the innovation part of our project, in general, find our place regarding the market point of view or regarding the academic point of view in CIDiTec.